What's going on, guys? I'm gonna hop right back in this today. Today we're gonna go change some tires to the rear, and I'm gonna show you guys how bad it is. So yeah, do a little cold start. Yep, and I'll show you guys when I get there. And she's gone. And you can see it, boys, it's pretty bad. And we're gonna show you another side. Oh, look at that. It's pretty bad down here. So this is the worst side. Pretty much a whole drag tire I had right here. But hey, it's all good. It's pretty bad. Sheesh. Huh? Yeah, I did. Yeah.
They're free drag stick, right?
Yeah, they're pretty. And they like. Hey, I'm lucky to get 10,000 miles out of those. Yeah, I'm lucky to get 10,000 out of those. But they hook up though. I'm not gonna lie. They do hook. New ones. That's not too bad. Yeah. All right. She is good to go. So this is after the tire change and everything. This is like way after. So yeah, I got those tires changed. Those tires, I kid you not, were worse than what I thought, but as you can see in the video. But yeah, I got the new meats on them to show you guys. Probably can't see it. Let me like, yeah, but just know she got some quality stuff into it. But yeah, those tires cost me about a cool crispy $1,000, almost well, discount tires like $800 after taxes and everything. But if you do the what is it called, the warranty thing on it, it's like over $1,000 for those 2 pair of tires. So yeah, 19s tires are expensive, especially for max summer performance tires. That's what you pay to get, but they hook up fine, man. They're great tires. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys for this little video. The end of it, whatever it's gonna go into, and I'll see you guys in the next one.